Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innalhamdulillah, nahmanu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzubillahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudhlil fala hadiyalah. Okay guys, back again with me, Amar Zaran Syafiq, in our weekly agenda, that is Weekend Tech Talk. And today, there will be a great speaker, that is Anditaf, that will give you tutorials how to make a simple ID card with HTML and CSS. And for Anditaf, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Amar, for uh, producing. So, hello, my name is Andy Tuff. So, today I want to tell you how to make a ID card in HTML and CSS with Visual Studio Code. So, let's get into it. Uh, Share screen. Okay. So first we open the Visual Studio Code and then we open the folder in here like this. Uh, then search your folder. Example in here, I have a empty folder. Then open it, and then if you already open it, just make a new file. Uh, the name is up to you. In here, I will just make like ID card. Then in here, we're going to make the structure of the HTML first with exclamation like this, and then you click enter, and then after that you uh, let's see the preview first in the live server. So the preview is still blank. There is no component in the website. So what we have to do is we make a class with dot container like this, and then enter. After that, you make a again the card. So this will be your ID card, and then after that is settings in the CSS in here. We just click the style, and then the container will be the view and width 100. The width is 100 view width, and then the height for the height is 100 view height. Just type in VH and VY, and then after that, if in here is still blank, if you want to see the container, you could just make it the color like in here like black, I think. So this is the our container. So why there is like an outline, you have to, if you want to do the outline, you have to uh, make again the settings in CSS like this, and then you make it margin 0, then padding 0.2, so it will be like this. So let's color it like maybe it's up to you. The background will you G going to be like this. You put FH, FA, FA, FA. Okay, and then the card, the setting the card. So the background, it has to be contrast with the background color, the card. So let's just make it uh, orange, background color orange. And then the width, let's make it 30%. Okay, and the height 50%. So I got this. I think the height will be 70, and then the card is still like it's aligned to left and just to try to up. So if you want to make it the middle, you could add the code in the container like display flex, then justify content center and align items and so it will be like this. Uh, wait. Then after that, you could make the edge to be like not sharp with border radius 20 pixel, maybe 30. Okay, done like this, and then we make again in the HTML another class. The class is contain text, or you could just make a text in H1. Just put in like ID code like that, and then make image like this. The image is up to you. You could use your face, but if you so I will just search for faces in the Google. Like example, male. This one is good. This one's one. So if you want to use to get image from the Google, you could just double click the image and then you copy the image address. Then in the Visual Studio Code, the HTML, the source, you could paste the link. So the web in the website it will show like this. Then as adjust the size like image. So maybe the px the width will be like 100 pixel. It's too small, so it's for 400 like that, and then make the border radius 50 or 100. Then the height make it 200 px. this 300, and then this one is 600. So the weight is 300 and 4. The weight is 5, I think. Or you could just make it sharp, the edge, and then make the weight 100%. Yes. And then uh, or you could just search again with the circle like this, and then you copy image and then go to with background, then just paste the image, then you download it. After you download it, uh just input it the folder in the folder. After that, in the source, you didn't use the link, but you use like this image with background because the image is already put in the folder. So let's try to look at the website. So it will be like this. Then the card, let's make it center to say flex, and then background specify content center, and then line items center. Then because the image and like the text like this, you want to make it from the vertical, from the up, from the up. So you just like flex direction for like uh 12 column like this. After that, maybe the align items. Could just remove it. I mean the justify content, remove it, and then the text you could add some style like the font and family using like stable UI, like this maybe, and then the color is white, or you could want to black. It's okay. White and black is either of the same, and then just add a little margin to the text, maybe just 15 pixel, 20, 25. Okay, and then a 20 pixel. Then you make again some information about you, like H2 name, and then like example, my name, and then another one, H2, like class, class 3. Then some information again. If you want, you could just make it with no title like that. Then you could just type again in down below your name, like uh, if you're working, like example, software engineer. Or you could just make like if you work in kitchen, you could just type in chef, and then so in the ID card will be like this, and then we could add some style in the CSS, like one family, maybe using Times New Roman. Sego UI, and then margin is 15 text, 5. Then after that, you could make another container like for the text, example like this, and then just type in your information like class h3 class and wait, and then your school, I think, the company that you work in, and then again school, and then your form, like or your social media like Instagram, like this. I think that's enough. 3, and then in the inside the CSS you could type container dot container dot strip text. Then you add another like width on 80%. Then the height, yes. Then you make the display, right? And then align item top, justify content, center, and then the flex direction column like that. And then the content of text, we could add a margin top, so we add a space in the up of the container. Maybe like just 20 px like that, and then uh, you could add the text style as the font could use by Then the font size, ten pixel, 24 pixel, 20 I think. So you could make the ID card, the title, the ID card one, the font to be bigger, font size 32 pixel, maybe 40. Yeah. Okay, then you could add one more component for the button. So the button, if you click it, there will be direct to a link of your number. Like we have to make like A for the link. Then inside it, we make a button name like uh, contact me. And then the button, the A, margin 10 pixel or 20. Then the width is 50% and height is 10%. And then make the button here, add another style button with 100% and height 100%. One. Then make the font size to be 20 pixel. Then make the font to be Apple. I think it's up to you the font. Then this is the button. So we make the font weight to be like bold. The bold is 700 and the background color is white and then border none. So we remove the outline. Then border radius 20 pixel. 40 pixel like this. Then we make in the A the mouse, the pointer given. So that's it. YouTube.com. Okay, it's already working. So after that, you could just type for the WhatsApp like wa.me/62 and just type in your number in here. So yeah, I think that's it for the ID card. So let's go back to our host, Amal Zahan.
Okay, thank you Anita for the tutorial on how to make simple ID card with HTML and CSS. And maybe there are any question for the speaker? We're gonna wait for question.
Waiting for 15 minutes.
Come on guys, ask to Andy. Okay, maybe there is no question no, for the speaker. Yes, maybe that's all for the weekend tech talk. I hope it will give you a lot of benefits after watching this weekend tech talk. And sorry if we have a lot of mistakes. Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.